Hello guys, good evening and welcome to this session. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this amazing website. This website is the Dicalo Consulting website. Okay, so Dicalo Consulting DNC. So I'm going to show you guys how you can navigate this website, how you can use this website as a candidate to look for your employment, and how an employer can also use this website to get the best candidates that they need for the job. Okay, as you can see, this is a very nice website. You have a very nice header here, and as an employer, as a candidate, you can upload your resume, and an employer can also post a job by clicking here. Okay, but the best thing is to first of all register for the site. Okay, so I advise when you come to this website, you come to the top right corner and then you click on this register button. When you click on this register, you have the option to register as a candidate or to register as an employer. Okay, so as a candidate, you are going to fill this form. You are going to fill these aspects of candidate and fill them. Once you are done, you click on sign up, right? And it's going to register you as an employer. Also going to click on the employer aspect, right? The employer area. You fill this form, and when you are done filling this form, you are going to sign up. Okay, so now I'm going to log into one of my accounts, then I will explain to you guys how you can use this site as employer and as well as candidate. So let me log into this one. I'm going to go to the sign in, and under sign in, as you can see, I try to sign in and it's showing that error, right? The error is saying that password you entered was so I'd forgotten my password. So I'm actually going to click on forgot password. This is what you do if you forget your password. So I'll enter my email address here. Now once you've entered your email, you click on create new password. Okay, check your mail and reset password. So they've sent a new password to my mail. I'm going to check my email, guys. As you can see, I've received the reset password email from Dicalo Consulting. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to reset my password. So I will click on reset password link. Okay, I'll input my new password here. So okay, I'm going to click on reset. Okay, password successfully changed. Okay, now I'm going to head back to this website. Since it's already open, I'll just continue from here. I'll click on sign in. My username, as you can see, my username was sent to me. So please don't always forget your username. When you forget it, try to use your email to reset, right? I'm going to log into this account, and you can see now login is successful, and the page is going to reload and take me to my dashboard. Okay, now as you can see, this is my dashboard. Okay, so let me just minimize this. And this is my dashboard as a candidate. You can see that as a candidate, I've applied for a total of 3 jobs, okay, to find the various jobs, right? You see that this is a candidate profile. Okay, this is the profile for a candidate, and as a candidate, these are the various things that you can do. You upload your resume in this website, right? Let's start by looking at the profile picture. You can upload your profile picture at this point, right, in this position, by simply clicking on photos. Okay, I'll just take one of these pictures, guys. I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. Okay, so I'll put this picture here, and as you can see, the picture is uploaded, guys. This is the image. You can as well upload your own image here, right, to give your employer a simple clue of what you look like. Right now, this is your candidate dashboard. You can see here that the application statistics are shown here. You have the number of jobs that you have applied, your favorite jobs, right? These are the jobs that you have favorited from the website, because you can click on favorite button. You have job alerts, right? The number of job alerts, get the latest updates, right? You have not received any alerts. You have packages, right, that you can use, right? Secondly, you have now, after the dashboard, you have your profile. In the profile area, you can input a lot of things about yourself, right? You fill the information, your name, your date of birth, and so on and so forth. So let's just wait for this to load. Our network is a bit slow. As you can see, guys, here you have your names, and then you have your public a profile for public view, right? If you want your profile to be viewed, right, you can allow your other viewers, other site users to see a profile, as well as you can hide it. If you don't want your profile to be seen publicly, you click on no here, and it's going to hide your profile from the general public. Then you can, and in this case, your profile will only be available to employers, to registered employers, and not to general site users. Okay, now here you can use put your date of birth here, right? You put your mobile number here, right? Put your sector, which kind of job you're looking for, right? You put your jobs sector here, right? And then you put your salary, right? You can put your required salary here to make employers already know what they want from, or to make employers already know what you want, right? You can describe a simple description of your profile here, right? There are a lot of things that you can do, right? And then you can include some of your social link, your Facebook page, your LinkedIn, your Twitter page, and so on and so forth. All of this will help employers to be able to know you more. Now, as a candidate also, you have the area of your resumes. This is the area that you are going to be uploading your resume to the employers. As you can see, this is a simple resume and a resume sample here. Okay, you can click here and upload your resume in this position. Okay, as you can see, okay, it's so easy. You click on this button, you click here, guys, and then you activate your resume, and then you can now select, you can download the resume, I mean to say. Now let's scroll down. You have the cover letter area here. This area, I can't really see it well, my screen is a bit blurred. Now let's go down. You have your cover letter. You can input your cover letter here, right, and then includes information about your skills, right? Here you can select, you can simply select some of the skills from these already included skills, or you can add your own skill. Okay, so you can add your skill. For example, if I want to put Microsoft Office, you click on Microsoft Office and click enter. You see that the skill is automatically added. Okay, that's how you can add a skill, as well as you can click on the X button to remove the skill. Your education, under education, you can add your educational background. You click on add, you write some information about your certificate, your school, your institution, and so on, and then you add education. Once you do that, you go to the next aspect, right? You can keep add more educations. You can add experience. This is where you actually fill your profile, such that when the employer sees your profile, he knows that this is the kind of candidate I need. If you don't want to go through all of these, if you don't want to go through filling all of these aspects, which is of course recommended, right? I recommend you fill all of these as a candidate to stand a better chance. If you don't want to fill this, you can simply upload your resume. Okay, you can simply upload a resume here. This is a resume sample, a very good sample resume that you can use. You can click on download to download this sample, right? If you click here, it's going to download this sample for you as PDF. You can use it as a simple sample to design your own resume. Okay, so when you click on this, click save, see that this sample is going to open. Right, it will open. Once it opens, it will take us to the page. Okay, so just be patient. Now once you do that, you can upload your resume here. I want to be fast enough, I don't want to take a lot of time. Okay, this is that sample, this is the sample resume, right? You see that it's already captured my biography. Okay, so it's simple. This site is so nice that it designs a resume for you as a candidate. Okay, your resume is designed automatically. If you fill all of these aspects, your summary, you fill your skills, you fill your education, your profile, your portfolio, you fill all of these, you can simply have an electronically produced resume from here. Okay, your resume will be designed like this, and you can simply click on download if you need a copy of your resume. This is how amazing this website is, guys. So next, let's go to the next aspect, the applied jobs. Under applied jobs, you are going to see the number of jobs you have applied. Okay, as a candidate here, you see the number of jobs you have applied. For example, I applied for 3 jobs. This is one of the jobs, and these are the other jobs that I applied for, right? These are the jobs I have applied. So here you can monitor your application. Under CV manager, this is where you can make changes in your CVs. Okay, so under CV manager, you can drop your file here. Okay, you can upload your file here, and then this website automatically walks you through the process of creating your CV by using the information from your existing CV. Okay, so it's very simple. I'm not going to go through that process. I don't want this video to be too long. So the next thing is you have favorite jobs. You can favorite some of the jobs and make them to appear as favorites in your profile. Okay, this is your profile as a candidate, so the jobs that you are favorite will appear here. Now you have packages. Okay, under packages, you are going to see the packages, because of course this website is not an NGO. It's a website that is created to help you. So of course you need to support this website by at least paying something, even $5 for a year, or 10 to 20 to $30 for a year. Is not bad. Okay, as long as it's going to help you to have your dream job. So you can click on packages. Right now there are no packages available, but with time I'm sure the website owner is going to include some packages that candidates will need to select in order to have some privileges as candidates in this website. Okay, there are packages that will be included for you to be showcased to incoming employers, such that your profile will stand out from other candidates, right? That will help to promote you. Okay, so it's also good that you make use of those advantages when they will be available. So this is just a new site, and it's actually growing. So I encourage candidates to make use of this website if they are to look for jobs. Now you have transactions. Here you see the number of transactions you have performed, the number of payments, if at all you selected any of their plans. But for now there are no plans, so there are no transactions. My emails, you can change your emails here. Then following, this one shows the number of employers you're following. Okay, and then you have the change password. You can change your password here. You can message or chat with employers. Okay, let me click on message aspect so that you see. Okay, for now I think the site owner needs to include something regarding that. Okay, so the chat is not available. Now meetings, there are meetings you can organize with the employer. I'm sure there's something about Zoom there, so you can actually have an online meeting with the employer. This is an interview schedule meeting, right? For example, if you have an interview schedule with your employer, the date and time is going to show here. Okay, it's going to show in your profile automatically, because the employer is the one that will set that meeting with you. He will set the meeting either through video calls or through Zoom. When we go to the employer profile, you will see all of that. Okay, so this is just how, as a candidate, you are going to utilize this website to be able to apply for jobs and land your dream jobs. If you want to apply for jobs, you are going to come to all jobs. As a candidate, under all jobs, you are going to see all the jobs that have been published by the various employers. Okay, and then when you come to all jobs, like here, you see that this is the only job that is available for the moment, guys, and it's temporary, right? This is the only jobs that is available now. Okay, so one job found, and it's temporary, so it's actually available now, and you can take advantage of this and be one of the candidates in this website, such that when employers post new jobs, you'll be able to get them as fast as possible. Now the next thing is under jobs. This is where you see all the jobs that are available. Like I said, under candidates, you're going to see all the candidates. Like I said, if you hide yourself, right, if you hide yourself on that in your profile, in the area where I showed you that you can hide yourself, you are not going to be seen here. As you can see here, we already have the website already has a lot of candidates. Okay, there are a lot of candidates here, and also under employers, you are going to see a lot of employers that are available. Okay, so these are some of the candidates that are available in this website, and then you can see here, you can see my image here, the image I uploaded. You can also upload your own image in this position. So now let's see, if you go to employers, under all employers, you're going to see that you have all the employers that are registered in this website and all those that are posting jobs. Okay, so for the moment, we have all sets, we have John Holdings and Zicalo Consulting LLC. So for now, these are the employers that have been publishing jobs, and for now we have one vacancy from all sets. Okay, so it's very nice that you follow. You are, like I said, guys, you can simply follow any of these employers. Like now, if I want to follow all set, I'll click on follow, guys. If I click this follow button, anything that is uploaded by this employer, I'll be notified in my email. Okay, whenever this employer uploads a job, right, I'll be notified in my email. I can follow this one. It's showing that I'm already following you. I follow John Holdings. I can follow Zicalo Consulting. Once you follow, any updates made by the employer, you're going to be notified in your email, and this is very important. So I will encourage you candidates to make sure that you follow the various employers in their website, so that any updates that are made by the employer, you are immediately notified and you are the first to apply. Note that first come first serve in most of the cases, or in most cases, first come first serve when it comes to job applications. Now let's look at our profile. After we have followed all of this, let me go back to my profile dashboard. When you hover over my account, you have dashboard. You click on dashboard. Okay. Okay, guys, maybe it's a technical fault, but actually it's supposed to appear here. It may take some time to appear. Okay, so now this is just how you can manage your profile as a candidate. It's so simple and straightforward, and this website is here to solve the problem of candidates looking for jobs by bringing you closer to employers. Okay, now let's go to the next aspect. As an employer, how do I manage this website as an employer? So now we are done with the aspect of candidate management of Zicalo Consulting website. As a candidate, we are done with the things that you are supposed to do as a candidate to be able to land that dream job that you are looking for. Okay, now as an employer, how can employers also utilize this website? So stay tuned as I take you on this. Let me first of all log out. Let me start by logging out as candidate. In order to log out, I'll scroll right down and I'll click on this log out button.